Hey guys, how's everybody doing today? Here we are getting ready for the London opening session, and we'll be taking a look at gold. Just to remind you that these videos are for informational purposes only, and I will show you the trades I take if I take a trade, but I'm not recommending or suggesting you take the same trade. You can if you want to, but it's up to you to manage your own account and to use good risk management. So let's jump over at the chart, as we've still got a couple of minutes before the London Open. This candle here was, this doji was the Europe Open, and then it's come up a little bit. We got a few green candles there. This is the XAU USD on the 10-minute time frame. This is the time frame that I trade on, and all that you see here are the trend lines, the downward trend line going back to the monthly chart, and the upward trend line going back to the monthly chart. It's a top-down analysis. And we just wait a minute to see what the London Open is going to do. Oh, it's another 3 minutes. I looked at the clock wrong. It's another 3 minutes before London Open. So we'll just be patient, sit on our hands and wait. That's what we mostly do as traders. Right now it's at this resistance level, 4049, or you could say 4050. Strong psychological support resistance zone. We had resistance here, we had resistance here, and then getting it again. Been a very bearish day so far with the Asian market. We've dropped from 40.82 all the way down to 40.30, $52 run during the Asian market. It looks like it might want to be continuing that bearish run. Yeah, I would really hesitate to go long here. Still just over 1 minute before the London market opens. And we certainly are getting rejection of this 4050 zone here. It's rejecting that definitely. That's the light gray line you see there. And also that is a support line there. You can see here it's 4049, and the next support level down here is 4040. That's support here, support here. Did break below it, but then came back above it. So if we head down, that would be our first target, 4040. And it's 2 p.m. Indochina time. That's in Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, Thailand. And let's see what London is going to do. Are they going to respect this 4050 level and continue down? If we look at the stochastic there, Let me get that other indicator out of the way. We don't need that. Stochastic turning down now. That's why I'd be a little bit hesitant to go long here, even if it looks like it's going to break above that. The stochastic being overbought. I did that yesterday. It didn't work out, if you remember that. Nobody joining in the live session just yet. That's a little bit unusual. Usually the team is pretty quick to come in. London not doing too much with this first candle. And just remember, if you want to message me, you can get me on Telegram. My ID is at RickRayFX. And if you'd like to be added to the VIP Telegram group, chat group, and I'll add you to that group. There we go, Alex. You're a little bit slow to come in today. How's it going over there? And Alex, I wanted to ask you, earlier you posted a screenshot in the Telegram group of support and resistance with a comment. Now, where did you get that screenshot from? I'm just curious. So our first candle, not much going on here. Let's go over and have a look at NASDAQ, see what it's doing. NASDAQ started to do a retracement, and the stochastic turned up on that one. It's also done a big drop today. As you can see, just as gold is done. I didn't get any of this trade in here. U.S. oil, let's see what oil. Oh, oil is starting to come back up now. It did make a drop down. Gold has been moving up the last 30 minutes or so, and oil has been going down, but now oil is starting to come back up. We got down to $80 on oil, now starting to come back up. What's the DXY doing? Kind of a zigzag roller coaster. Started off the day down, then up, now back down, now it's headed back up. And it should put pressure on gold. If oil is going down and the US dollar going up, we should see some more downward movement here with back down and test this 40-40 level. There's Zambaz iMac. Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in again. There's Howard. Good on you. What are you cooking? Some kind of kangaroo stew? So a really quiet start for the London market. This is the first candle here. Still got another couple of minutes on that one. It seems to be they're not decided. Maybe they're finishing their coffee and donuts. They haven't taken any trade yet, maybe. Right now at 48, 40, 48, 40, 49, 4048. 050 has been holding all day long. Stochastic starting to point down a little bit. And if I take this trade, this short trade, this would be a bounce. If it starts to go down, then I will take that trade. That'll be a bounce from the trend line. And we got two touch points already. Hasn't quite touched that on this one here. Didn't quite touch it there. So Howard had a good trade today. Hey, you guys down under, you can get up early for this Tokyo opening. That's right there, that big red candle on the Tokyo opening, and then it just dropped. Wow! But I don't get up that early. That was a nice bearish run, and then it's gone sideways mostly since then. And now they're trying to make a decision to go up or go down. Spaghetti bolognese for the homeless people. Wow, good job. Zambez iMac having problems with the audio. Anybody else having trouble with the audio? Sometimes I don't get a good internet connection here. It seems to be okay today. Don't know what you mean, Howard. 70 Chinese containers. Chinese containers. A food container? 70 Chinese containers with spaghetti bolognese? Okay. Now we're getting a little bit of action here on this second candle. 40.50. Stochastic is at 84, not that much overbought. Boy, really quiet. So just remember the big news is tomorrow the central banks start to announce they're going to raise or lower the interest rates. And the big one for us is the Federal Reserve, and that's after midnight for me tomorrow. So just check forexfactory.com for your local times. There's a 30% chance they might raise the interest rate. I think they're going to hold the interest rate though, keep it where it is, with the potentially a higher interest rate in September. And that's what I'm reading, hearing. 40.49. So the second 10-minute candle is not liking that 40.50 number. Can everybody else hear me okay? The audio is okay? We've got some new people in here. A lot of people, don't be shy to comment. If you're new to the live YouTube, let me know where you're watching from. And of course, don't forget to drop a like on the video. It does help a lot more than you think. And I appreciate it. It motivates me. So click that like button. Okay, Alex is in India. He says the sound is okay. Zambez, maybe your internet's not so good, or maybe you're too far away on the other side of the world. So yeah, get a little bit of rejection here now. 40.49. Very quiet, the London market today. Just move that back over because that candle's not finished yet. Zambez, a bit of both. Yeah, I figured out what you're saying. 70 food containers. That's a lot of spaghetti bolognese. And you're taking a nice break now that you had that good run this morning. So still got another. This is the first candle, the second one. Now we're starting on the third one. 2 o'clock, 2:10. Candles are so small I can't tell which candle we're on. Boy, London is very quiet today. When Europe opened, they made a little bit of a run up, but that was about it. Now we got something I can see. 40.50 again. 40.49, 40.50. Some days I've seen it go like this until it's the second hour in the London session before they really start moving. Got another 2 minutes on this candle. And they really can't make up their mind. Let's get started. 40.51. 'Another 1 minute on this candle. Looks like they want to push it up, eh? Maybe fill this gap. Is that a possibility? This is where I took a trade yesterday with the stochastic really overbought, and then all it did was reverse and come back down. If you remember that trade yesterday, it didn't work out. So what did we get to there? 4052 was our high on this candle. 20 seconds to go. 40.51 right now. 40.50. And what do we have here? I don't see a clear break here, but now it looks like it wants to go. Okay, I'm going to go long on that. That might be a mistake. I don't know. Hard to say, eh? With a stochastic sign, that's what I did yesterday, and then it reversed. I'll get out of this real quick if it turns around. So yeah, I just went long, guys. At what was it, 40.52. I just went long at 40.52. You know, the stochastic is used for confluence, but you can't use it to make a trade. You see over here, we were all of this bearish movement. The stochastic was oversold the entire time. You can't use this to make a trade. You can try to use it to give you confluence of direction, but this is overbought now. It can be overbought for a long time. It was oversold for a long time. I kept going down. Now, if this is going to reverse, I'm going to get out of this trade. Just wait and see. I did have the break above my trend line, and it closed above it. And then now it started bullish again. You're in a short on NASDAQ. Let's just look at that. It's coming back up now. It's now at 27,816. Well, this doesn't look very bullish here. I don't like this at all. Still got 5 minutes, 6 minutes on this candle. No, I don't like the looks of this. So I'm got out of that trade. I'm no longer long. Now I do not have a trade open. Even the high was on 4052, and it's already coming back. Don't like the looks of that at all. I want to go short, but I want to see it give me some bearish momentum first. Now changing direction. Just because I got out of the trade. 4 minutes on this. Let's see what it's going to do. Does anybody that's watching, do you have any trade open on gold? Two and a half minutes on this candle. Yeah, Alex, I agree with you. I'm looking for a short, but I don't see it yet. If this closes bullish, I'll re-enter that trade, that long trade. Hmm. Okay. Now that candle is finished. Okay, I just went short. I don't like, I like what I'm seeing here with this rejection around the 4050 level. It's not able to go any higher. So just went short. And because this is my trend line here, I the stop loss at 4055 right there. That's a stop loss. Tight stop loss. Very quiet London session. Hey, look at this. Hardly anything at all. London up 4048, 4049.7, and it's now 4050.7. It's only moved $1. Yeah, it's basically a $5 stop loss. I know it's tight, but if it breaks above and closes above my trend line, then the short trade's not going to work. So I'll put my stop loss on here. That's the stop loss. I mean, if this breaks above the trend line and goes up there, that's not a short trade. It's not going to work. 4049 now. My entry was 4050. Take profit is 4025. That might be a little, maybe not. Put my take profit on there. It's my take profit. So let's put on that little tool here. We got the short tool and see what we got. 40. That's where I got in. There's my stop loss and my take profit down here. What does that give me? One to five. Wow. If it works out. This 40 below that 4022, that's a previous support level. 4022, 4023, previous support level. So let's see if that's going to work out. Yeah, Alex, I'll ask you again. Earlier today, you posted a screenshot in the Telegram group with the support and resistance. Where did you get that from? I've never seen that before. I'm just curious where you got it from. Still at 4050. Man, somebody call over to London and tell them to wake up. They're not doing anything. Is it some kind of bank holiday or something? Now we're going. Okay. Maybe they heard me talking. Come on, let's get moving. I think we're definitely going to see lower prices. You got your stop loss at 40.30. I mean, your take profit. 40.30, right there. I don't need that anymore. Now it's going up. Well, I'll be crazy. Very quiet London session. Very quiet. I don't know what's going on here. Well, a lot of indecision with London, eh? Oh, okay. You use XNS Broker in your personal account. Oh, they give you the pivot point signals in your MT4 or MT5. Oh, okay. It was a pretty nice screenshot, nice and clean, easy to read, easy to understand. Okay, now we're going 40.49 again. So we've had 40 minutes into the session. One, two, three, four. Now our fifth candle starting. It looks like they might have finally woke up. Maybe, or maybe not. This is the boring part of trading, eh? But the trade is set, so I can actually just turn everything off and check it on my phone later. I will hold on to this trade, even if it hits the stop loss. I'll hold on to this. Let's just look quickly at Nasdaq for Howard. No, and Nasdaq's starting to come back down now. And oil, well, it made a move up, but now it's not doing much. DXY, everybody's gone very quiet. The whole market has just gone quiet. I suppose they're waiting for the big interest rate news tomorrow after midnight my time. How about this moving average? The 8 EMA is really holding up well, hey, providing support. Really would like to see a break below that and a close below it. And then we'll know something's starting to happen. So we'll just listen to a little bit of music. Yeah, I know. Yesterday, I don't normally do that. Alex, move the stop loss. In fact, 99.9% I never do that. But this one guy came in, I forget where he was from. Oh, the guy in Vietnam. And he just recommended that I move it $3 lower. And it's just a very slight move. So I did it just to see. And then, of course, it got stopped out, as you know. But 99.9% of the time, I don't move the stop loss, Alex. That was a very rare moment, very rare. It was just based on a comment that he said, that at 96 wasn't a really good position. 93 would be better. So I just thought I'd try, just have a look. Maybe he knew something I didn't know, but still got stopped out. But it was only a $3 move. But yeah, that's not a good idea to move your stop loss. You have your strategy. You know how much you're willing to risk, and it was certainly within my risk parameters. It was okay to lose more on that trade. Yeah, I think they finally finished their coffee and donuts. Now we're getting something. This is the biggest candle we've had for the London Open. Now they're waking up. If this will close below that 8 EMA, that'll look great. And we got another 4 minutes on this candle, but now it looks like with that movement we're seeing, this up and down, now seems like they're starting to execute trades. I think the sellers have come in. Let's see what happens. Yeah, you have to detach your emotions. Detach your emotions from trading. But it's easier said than done. That's what is the most challenging thing for traders is the emotional side. So I've been waiting 45 minutes, 47 minutes for this move now. But I like what I'm seeing so far anyway. In a small profit. Yeah, yeah, this is looking good. Just looking over at the 1 minute and the 5 minute charts, all looking very, very bearish now. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Now we're going. It's only $3 in profit though, but it's a much better looking candle. And you know, this morning in the Tokyo session, they came crashing below our previous day low from yesterday. That's already gone a long time ago. 5 seconds to go on this candle. Definitely bearish. Yeah, okay. Hey, stop that. So gone back up to 4050. Maybe it'll find resistance there and fall back down. Let's see. Ah, Yep, that's what it did so far. Went up, tested that 4050, back down below our moving average now. Oh, we got quite a few people tuned in. If you're new to the live trading, let us know where you're watching from. And don't forget to click that like button. I do appreciate it, and it does help the channel. Well, it's not finished testing that 4050 yet. Hey, great. I never do count the likes. I just ask people to click like. I know it does help the channel, but yeah, appreciate that, guys. In fact, I'll even click like myself. We had more people watching yesterday. We had Vietnam, we had Florida. Raj is not here today. Come on, we need to get a lower low here. Still got 5 minutes on this candle. 6 minutes. Oh, here we go. Hong Kong. Yeah, seen you before. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate that. And Rishad from India. Yeah, welcome back. Thanks, guys. Any of you guys have a trade open on gold right now? We're watching the XAU USD on the 10-minute time frame, and I went short 4050, and I've got my stop loss up here 4055, just a $5 stop loss, and the take profit down here at 4025. I'm not suggesting or recommending you take the same trade. You can if you want to. It's up to you. I don't give signals. Okay. Hong Kong is short from 4051. Yeah, we're all kind of on the same page here. If you guys want to join our Telegram chat group, it's just a chat group. There's no signals, no buying, no selling. We just chat with each other. I post the news every day, and I post the results when it comes out. And you're welcome to join the group. There's a direct link to the Telegram group. Okay, 4048. So we're back into a little bit of profit. I sure would like to see a lower low here, though. Still got 3 minutes to go on this candle. So Hong Kong got in at a good entry there, 40.51. Yeah. Oh, okay. So you're in the Telegram group already. Good. Don't be shy about chatting in the Telegram group, guys. There's beginners in there. There's advanced traders. Feel free to share, chat, ask about a trade. Sometimes the group gets really active, and sometimes it's quiet. So Hong Kong, where did you put your stop loss on that trade? Just curious. Now, come on, give us a little bit, give us a lower low on this. This would be really nice. 40.47. 1.5 minutes to go. Yeah, come on. Now we're going. Now we're going. Now we're going. Okay, now we're cooking. Now we're cooking. Now we're on the way. 40.46. This looks like a good trade. Everything looks correct. We got 40.50 as our resistance. It's broken above that a little bit, but couldn't go any higher. And now we're broken below our moving average. We've got a nice pit bar here on this candle. We've got a lower low. Still got 40 seconds on this candle. It's not finished yet. Stochastic is in the slightly overbought range. And the bias is definitely bearish. But I sure would like to see some bigger moves here. Now it's 3 o'clock. This is the second hour of the London session. This is when sometimes they really start getting excited, start making some big moves. Sometimes the first hour is fairly quiet. You took the trade at 40.51 and your stop loss is 40.52. That's a really tight stop loss. But if that works for you, okay. Well, this first candle at the top of the hour. Don't like the looks of that. Don't like the looks of this first candle. First candle at the top of the hour. It's already given back everything that we got in the first 20 minutes. And now in a loss. Let's see if this zone is going to hold. Looks like somebody woke up the bulls. Massive, big ass green candle. Oh boy. Wow. Well, Hong Kong is done. Stopped up. Yeah, this candle needs to be red, but it's not red. It's very green. Not looking so good anymore, eh? Yeah, Hong Kong, wait for another chance. No big deal. You didn't lose much on that with tight stop loss like that. Still got 5 minutes on this candle. Let's see what it's going to do. Okay. Interesting. Not finished yet, though. Another 4 minutes, eh? There it goes. Shot says the sell is coming. Coming when? It's going to take out my stop loss. That's a 40.55, I think. No, not right there. Oh, that is. Yeah, I believe it got my stop loss. Yep. Okay, I'm done. So Alex is short, but I don't know where your stop loss is. So I can get rid of that. And my take profit was down here. Still another 2 minutes on this. All I did was exactly on my stop loss, eh? Well, it was a little bit tight, $5 stop loss. I didn't lose much. It's okay. So I'll get rid of that guy. Oh, you got stopped out too, Alex. And who is this? Or where's games? Or where's games? I don't think we're seeing a bull run. I think all we did there was see what I would call a liquidity grab. Just went out, took out all the stop losses from all of our short guys, and now it's going to continue down. I don't see anything bullish here. You can't look at this and tell me this is a bull run. All I did was take out my stop loss right there, exactly where I had my stop loss. Hmm. Okay, guys, I re-entered the trade. I really do believe that we're going to see lower prices. I re-entered the trade at 4047. I got in right here. I re-entered the trade short. My stop loss is 4057, just a little bit higher than the previous one. Yeah, never mind. It was a tight stop loss, but I've re-entered the trade and now I'm on a good run. We've got a big ass candle here, and that's a clear rejection of that higher price. Very clear rejection and a continuation of our bearish run. So it's all good. You can't win every trade, but in retrospect, my stop loss was a little bit too tight. Yeah, we got 12 people watching now. That's cool. If you haven't done so already, let us know where you're watching from. Now the bears have control of this. The sellers are in control. But actually, we're still in a tight range here. Very tight range, except for these two candles. So actually in a tight range. We need to break below 40.40. This is what we want to watch here. 40.40. 40.40. If it can break below that, then it's going. It's going to go for sure. What's oil doing? Oil is dropping too. Oh, that's not good. $79. 79.81. What's Nasdaq doing? Nasdaq's still going down. So I'll just draw my little short thing here. Where did I get in? 40.47 right there. And my stop loss is at 40.57 right there. And this time I put my take profit at the same place, 40.25. Okay. And that's a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Well, this is a little bit crazy now, eh? If you don't look at the pin bars, this is all just sideways right here. This is ridiculous. What in the world is going on? No clear direction. What happened to our big red candle here, eh? What a crazy day, eh? Hmm. Good. Let's break the last high. Let's go. Airware Games. Looks like you're looking for a bullet. It might happen. This is really some looking stuff we're seeing here, right? Okay, guys, I'm going to get out of here. This has been a really long session, but I've enjoyed it. Thank you for all of your comments. I appreciate it. Don't forget to click that like button. And of course, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Click that little bell so you'll be notified when I make videos. I'm here every day, Monday to Friday, for the London Open. So thanks again, guys, and I'll see you again tomorrow.